In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Bloxlink on your PC and link Roblox to Discord. So, if you're looking to seamlessly connect these two platforms, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have your accounts linked without a hitch. First things first, the process begins on your computer, where you'll need to open up a web browser. I recommend using a browser you're comfortable with, whether it be Chrome, Firefox, or another that suits your preference. Once that's open, navigate to the Bloxlink website. If you're unsure of the correct URL, a quick search should do the trick. At this point, make sure you're logged into the Discord account you want to connect. This step is very important because you'll be authorizing Bloxlink to access your Discord information. Once on the Bloxlink site, look for the option to log in with Discord. Click on that, and you will be prompted to authorize the application. A new window will appear asking for the necessary permissions. Make sure to read over these consent requests to understand what you'll be allowing. Approval of these permissions is essential and the tool won't function correctly without them, so once you're comfortable, click Authorize. Now that you've authorized Bloxlink, it's time to link your Roblox account. Head back to the Bloxlink dashboard where you should see an option to connect to Roblox. Click on it and then you'll need to log in using your Roblox credentials. Be sure your Roblox username is entered accurately to avoid any connection issues. If you've enabled two-factor authentication on Roblox, ensure you have your authentication device handy. After successfully logging into Roblox via Bloxlink, return to the dashboard. Here you're likely to notice a section showing your Roblox account is connected. This confirmation is a good indication that things are proceeding smoothly. At this point, the task isn't over just yet. To truly link the accounts, you need to hop over to Discord and join a server that has the Bloxlink bot added. If you're not in such a server, you can either create your own or join an existing one. With access to a server, type verify in any channel. If you don't get a response, double-check that server permissions allow messages from bots and that your Discord account is correctly logged into the browser you're using. The Bloxlink bot should respond with instructions to finalize the linking process. Carefully follow any additional prompts to cement the connection. This might involve reconfirming your verification status or re-logging into one of the two platforms. Once complete, your accounts are now linked, enabling great interaction between Roblox and your Discord presence. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Roblox to Discord using Bloxlink. If you ran into any issues, check your internet connection and ensure you're logged into the correct accounts. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!